My video guide is about removing the online scam and fake Chrome update alerts which are related to the website Setupheavylylatesttheproduct.vip. Some people may see these strange pop-ups by the site Setupheavylylatesttheproduct.vip. These pop-ups display frustrating messages that try to encourage people into downloading and installing unwanted browser extensions into Google Chrome. But this website, Setupheavylylatesttheproduct.vip, is absolutely fake. Installing these so-called updates leads to a lot of troubles. For instance, the browser may be hijacked and infected with numerous advertisements that will be attacking the screen from time to time. Also, the extension may function as a browser hijacker that may change some browser settings without your permission. So please be careful, don't trust these deceptive pop-ups by the site Setupheavylylatesttheproduct.vip. If any third-party extensions were mistakenly added, access the menu, go to More Tools, then Extensions. So disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them. Finally, I recommend researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.